What if I told you that homes are really being sold for $1 in America right now, but the dollar is the least important part of the deal? Yes, $1 houses for sale in America are real. But before low-income buyers, seniors, or families looking for affordable housing get excited, you need to understand the catch. In Louisville, Kentucky, a real land bank program has offered severely distressed vacant houses for just $1. But buyers may need construction plans, a realistic renovation budget, a project timeline, proof of funds or financing, and a clear plan for what they will do with the property. And this is where the headline can become misleading. A $1 house is not necessarily a $1 path to home ownership. The real cost can be the roof, plumbing, electrical work, structural repairs, permits, and the money needed to complete rehabilitation on schedule. Here is something else most videos leave out. The federal HUD Dollar Homes program is different. HUD says qualifying homes are offered for $1 to local government agencies, not simply sold directly to any individual who finds the listing. Those local efforts can then be used to support affordable housing and low to moderate income families. So if you are a low-income buyer or senior homeowner, don't just search $1 government houses. Search your city and county for land bank homes, vacant property programs, affordable home ownership programs, and home repair assistance. The opportunity may be real, but the smartest buyer investigates the repair money before chasing the $1 price. Would you buy a $1 house if it needed major repairs? Comment yes or no, and follow Sirtaintea, because I'm finding the housing help most people never hear about.